On everyone, got a 2023 Mazda CX-5 and we're going to reset the oil life reminder today, or the maintenance reminder. You're going to go over to the console. This is the first thing you're going to do, and you're going to hit the home button that you have right here. Go ahead and hit home, and then we're going to go over to the radio, and at the radio, once you hit home, you'll end up with this screen here, and you're going to use the dial, and you need to scroll up to information, press the dial in, and go down to vehicle status monitor, vehicle maintenance settings. All right, and this is where you're going to reset the service interval or the oil life right here. All right, I'll ask you if you want to reset. Hit yes, and that's it. So I hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it. Hit that like button for me, leave me a comment if you could, and I hope to see you again in another video.